How are we doing? JavaScript, fourth tutorial. This one's going to be on the alert window method, which basically is our pretty much final way to present our data to the users or to ourselves as we're testing stuff. So basically, this is just another method where we go alert, and what it's going to do is pop up a window. So in this case, you've probably seen this little window pop up before, but this is basically the JavaScript alert. So what we're able to do here is we can actually output numbers, strings, um, really any information we want to through our alert method. And this is another way that is common to be testing. So you'll see here we've printed out hello world with alert method. This is another way that is very easy to test. So let's say we want to run a quick program. Variable num1 is equal to 3, and we'll close. I gotta close this quick. And var num2 is equal to 5. And what we're able to do here is use our alert function, and we can input our num1 and we can add it to our num2, and what we're going to see is that the alert function is able to output 8, which is how we can kind of test some of our programs. So guys, that's the alert function. That's the third way and pretty much the final way we're going to go over to present our data without actually being on a live server, website, or local site. So guys, stick around. The next part of the JavaScript, we'll really start getting into variables and really some of the more core concepts of how JavaScript works and what the powers it's able to give us. So stick around. Take care.